In this video, we will show you the method of how to migrate Office 365 account to another Office 365 account successfully. We bring you an effective and efficient solution with SysTools Migrator software. Now let's check out the main features of the software. The tool supports transferring mailboxes in different Office 365 domains. Supports migration of various Office 365 subscription plans. Helps in migrating multiple users' mailboxes via admin account. And the software is compatible with all the latest Windows versions. Now let's check out the prerequisites before installing the software. Destination user or users should already be created at the destination admin account. Create console project in Office 365 for source and destination accounts. Make sure that you provide source and destination service account ID and PFX key path correctly. And if you are using any of the Windows versions mentioned here, then please launch the tool as run as administrator. Now let's install and run the tool to check its working process. The software opens with a simple, yet attractive interface. Here, you have to click Register button below. Then a new window appears, and you have to enter the customer details. If you are a new customer, then you have to enter respective details in the field option below, and hit Continue button to proceed. And in case if you are an existing customer, then you have to enter the registered email ID in the respective field option, and hit Continue to proceed. Then a small window appears, and enter the activation code. You will be getting a mail with the activation code and the mail ID, which you have used for product registration. And if you didn't find the activation code in your inbox, please make sure to check either spam folder or junk folder. After entering the code, hit Activate button below. And then in the next window, you have to enter the domain details, for which its users will be migrated. After selecting the domain from the list, hit Continue button below to proceed. Then you can see options to choose source and destination. In our example, let's choose Office 365 as source. Then select destination. Here again, let's choose Office 365 as option. After making the selections, click Next button below. Then in the next window, you have to enter Office 365 admin mail ID in the field option. But before that, make sure that all the prerequisites are met. Click Settings option below. And within Settings, choose Office 365 option and check if the source service account client ID and the source PFX key path is correct. After that, click Save button. Then enter the admin Office 365 mail ID and hit Connect button. The ID will be validated, and after successful validation, you can see a success message. Then hit Next button below to proceed further. After that, you have to enter destination mail ID, but here again, make sure that the destination client ID and the destination PFX key path is correct. Then hit Save button. After entering the credentials, click Connect button. The account will be validated. And after successful validation, hit Next button to proceed. Then from the preferences, choose the desired categories option, depending on your requirements. And you can apply date filter option, for the desired categories, according to certain date range. And the user group mapping option, lets you maps between source and destination users. For that you have to import the CSV file into the software, in which you have to mention respective source and destination email IDs. Clicking on the sample CSV hyperlink will open a CSV file, and here you can see the format. After making the desired selections, click Next button below to proceed. In the next window, you will see further options, For source and destination user mapping, clicking on the sample CSV hyperlink will open a CSV file. And here you can see the format and the email format and domain name option allows the user to change email format and domain name. And if the username is the same in source and destination, you can choose Change Only Domain Name option to change only the domain name. And the same as Source Email ID option lets you migrate data into the account with the same ID in the destination. Before starting mapping between source and destination users, make sure that users' account are created in the destination tenant. After making the selections, click OK. Now you can see the tool will start fetching the users. And after that it displays all the users. You can also search for any particular user by entering relevant keyword in the search field and hitting search icon. Then you can enter the destination email ID in the respective field option. You can choose either all users option or selected users option to proceed. After making the desired selections, click Start button to initiate the migration process. Now you can see a small window appears, with quota details, remaining unconsumed as well. Please make sure that this window is not hidden in the background. Now you can see the migration process in progress, and after the process completes successfully, click Save Report button below to see the export report in CSV format. And in case of any failed migration, you can hit Retry Failed button to retry migration. Now let's check out the output files. Open the Destination Office 365 account, and here you can see the migrated data. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Please share your valuable comments and suggestions below. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Log on to the given product page for more details and purchasing the product. For any query, mail us to support@systeelsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.